Hi guys, if the Telegram app is not opening or just not working in general on your Windows computer, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to provide you with a few quick and easy solutions. So let's get right into it, and you need to start by coming over to your Start menu, and we're going to search for Task Manager and then just head over to the Task Manager application. Inside of here, we just need to ensure that we've completely closed down Telegram on our computer. So come over to this search box at the top here and search for Telegram, and just ensure that you don't have any Telegram processes running inside of here. And if we do, we can simply just right click on the process and select End Task to close it. So once you've ensured that you've completely shut down Telegram, then we can close out of this window, and we're going to come over to our Start menu, search for Telegram, and then right click on the Telegram desktop app and make sure to run as administrator. Now if that doesn't work for you, you'll need to move on to the next step, which is coming back over to the Start menu, search for Run, and then tap on the Run icon. Inside of here, we need to type in wsreset.exe and hit enter. And this is going to clear all of our Microsoft Store cache. And if you get the Microsoft Store load up here, like you see on the screen, then that confirms the cache has been successfully reset. And once again, we can try loading up the Telegram app. Now, if that still doesn't work, the next thing you need to do is head back over to the Start menu, this time search for Settings, and then come over to the Settings app. From the left-hand side, come into Network and Internet inside of VPN, and if you are connected to a VPN here, then we just want to hit this disconnect button, because sometimes connecting to a VPN can also cause issues with the application. So once you've ensured that you're disconnected here, then come down to Apps from the left-hand side inside of Installed Apps, and from this list of applications, we need to find the Telegram app. Now you can either scroll down the list, or we can just use this search feature and search for Telegram. And once you've found the Telegram desktop app, you need to come over to these three little dots and come inside of Advanced Options. Now, if you don't have this Advanced Options available, then it's because you've downloaded the web version of Telegram. So you can simply skip this step, and you'll need to uninstall the application and reinstall the Microsoft Store version, which I'll show you in a second. So for now, just come inside of Advanced Options, scroll all the way down to this Reset section, and we're going to first press this Repair button, and then we're going to go ahead and click Reset. And we can confirm just by pressing the Reset button. And then once you've done that, we can check to see if that's fixed the issue. Otherwise, you'll need to press the back arrow at the top here, and once again, search for the Telegram app. And this time, we're going to come into the three little dots and hit Uninstall. Click on Uninstall, and just give this a few seconds to uninstall from your PC. And once that's been completely uninstalled, we can then head over to our Start menu, search for Microsoft Store, and then head over to the Microsoft Store app. In this search box at the top, we're just going to search for Telegram, hit the Enter key, and then come over to Telegram Desktop, click on Install. And now if we click on Open, that should have fixed any issues you were experiencing. If you did find this video useful, then please comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.